Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM's first portable monitor. So friend, MINISFORUM has officially released its first portable monitor, the MSS-A156, which features a 15.6-inch QHD 144Hz touchscreen display, and the monitor is now available for purchase at a price of $189. And friend, it boasts an aluminium alloy body emphasizing a lightweight and stylish design. And friend, it comes with a magnetic protective cover that prevents scratches and double as a stand, and the display specifications of the portable monitor are impressive. It features a 15.6-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, covering 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut with a color accuracy below delta E less than below 2, a contrast ratio of 1000 Gam1, peak brightness of 400 nits, and a 144Hz refresh rate. It caters to both everyday multimedia and professional design tasks. It supports 10-point touch, allowing content creators to interact directly with the screen using their fingers. Even without an internal keyboard and mouse, it meets most user sceneries, and the ports are located on the left side of the screen, including 3.5mm headphone jack, MicroUSB, two full-featured USB Type-C port, and Mini HDMI port. And the mini PC often support power delivery and can directly connect to this portable monitor using a single USB Type-C cable, eliminating the need for a separate power supply. And it is widely compatible with various devices including smartphones, tablets, laptops, Xbox Series XS, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and more. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.